In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a portfolio using Google Sites, specifically tailored for the Instructional Design Edition. It's an exciting venture that can showcase your work beautifully and professionally, all for free and with great customization options. Now let's dive into this simple yet powerful tool and see how you can create a standout online portfolio in just a few straightforward steps. First, we'll start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Sites. This can be done by entering sites.google.com in the address bar. Google Sites is a user-friendly platform that allows you to create, manage, and share your websites with ease. Plus, you get the reliability and integration features from one of the world's leading tech companies. Once the page loads, you'll see several options in the main interface, allowing you to either start a new site from scratch or choose from various templates. For our portfolio, we'll focus on using a template to streamline the process. So go ahead and locate the portfolio option from the list of available templates, click on it to open. Templates are a fantastic way to save time because they come pre-designed with a structure that you can easily modify to fit your own personal or professional style. They provide a strong foundation which you can then tweak to match the specific requirements or aesthetics you have in mind. Once you've selected the portfolio template, it's time to add your personal touch. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Click on the sections within the template that you'd like to edit. You might start by updating the text to include your name and a catchy headline that clearly explains what your portfolio is all about. From here you can move on to adding other crucial pieces of content. This includes your professional summary, experience, and noteworthy projects. As you proceed, don't forget to upload images and other media that visually stand out. These could be screenshots of your work, photographs, or even short video clips. Visual content is incredibly engaging and can give viewers a more comprehensive understanding of the value you bring. Exploring the customization features, you'll notice you can adjust colors, fonts, and layout settings, which allows you to set a specific tone and brand your portfolio according to your preference. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creative input, you've designed a compelling portfolio using Google Sites. Remember, a well-crafted portfolio is not only a showcase of your skills, but also a reflection of who you are as a professional. This is just the beginning. In future videos, we'll be exploring more advanced features and design strategies to elevate your portfolio even further. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.